Are you ready to discover what the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra brings to the table and whether it's worth the hype? By the end of this video, you'll know every critical detail and how it stacks up against the competition, so make sure to stick around. We've got exclusive insights and some surprising revelations that might just change how you look at flagship phones in 2025. Let's start with the design, a factor that often divides users. Samsung seems to have found the perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics this year. The S25 Ultra is rumored to ditch the sharp corners of its predecessor in favor of a softer, more ergonomic design with subtly curved edges. This isn't just about looks. The new design improves in hand comfort and usability, making those long browsing sessions or gaming marathons less taxing. Samsung is also making a bold move with the display, transitioning to a flat panel design that eliminates accidental touches while delivering a seamless viewing experience. Speaking of the display, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature Samsung's next-generation M14 OLED. Imagine watching your favorite shows with 30% brighter visuals, even in direct sunlight, and enjoying more lifelike colors with enhanced accuracy. For gamers and media enthusiasts, this is a game-changer. Add to that improved durability and reduced energy consumption, and you've got a screen that's not just stunning but also practical. Now let's dive into what's under the hood. The S25 Ultra is set to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset globally. This is big news because it ensures consistent performance across all regions. With 16 gigabytes of RAM as standard, this phone isn't just fast, it's future-proof. Whether you're a multitasker, a mobile gamer, or someone who uses their phone as a productivity hub, this powerhouse can handle it all. Of course, we can't talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra without discussing the cameras. Samsung is doubling down on its imaging prowess, introducing a new 50MP ultra-wide sensor. Why does this matter? It means sharper, more detailed shots, even in low-light conditions. The main 200MP sensor remains, offering unparalleled detail and clarity. And for those who love to zoom in on their subjects, the telephoto lens setup continues to lead the pack. Video enthusiasts will appreciate the improved stabilization and richer colors, making it a strong competitor to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what about battery life? With a 5,000 mAh battery and improved efficiency thanks to the new chipset, you can expect longer screen-on times even with heavy use. Samsung's 45 kW fast charging remains a highlight, but we would have loved to see an upgrade here. Still, with reverse wireless charging, you can keep your accessories powered up on the go. Software is where Samsung aims to redefine user experience. One UI 7, built on Android 15, introduces a redesigned interface with smoother animations, more customization options, and smarter AI-driven features. Imagine your phone predicting your routine and automating your daily tasks. Welcome to the future. But here's where it gets controversial: the price. Rumors suggest that the S25 Ultra will start higher than its predecessor, reflecting a rising cost of premium components. Does the experience justify the price? That's what we'll analyze next, comparing the S25 Ultra with its closest rival, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. From displays to performance, cameras to software, every aspect will be scrutinized in this ultimate showdown. Stick around as we dive deeper into exclusive leaks, hands-on impressions, and real-world use cases. Trust me, this is one flagship you'll want to know inside and out.